Well, today we finally completed the whole idea. Now we actually know what we're building and why it's useful. What we're doing is we're building a platform where you can get services from autonomous objects, such as drones or vehicles. For example, let's say I want to do research and I need drones to go scatter and look for information. So I give them tokens or digital incentives, and that's at the cost of their batteries. So it's a universal platform for autonomous objects or drones as a service. Well, we're pretty far from reaching the actual implementation. So now we're just focusing on building the foundation. It's really dependent on also the intelligence. So now we're just building the layer of blockchain where these machines can communicate with one another and they can reach agreements instead of having one central party doing it. It's been going pretty well. We've started the day off just planning what we're going to build and actually forming the story. What we hope to do is to deliver our mission and make it clear for everyone. That's what we're trying to achieve today. If we win, that'd be really good because I have to defend my title. I won last year, so we're gonna try to win this.